Haweu Gratitud. Alright everyone, so this system here was located from Planter Garden TV on YouTube. Shout out to that brother right there. He is doing some awesome work. Y'all go check his channel out. So with this system here, we dig trenches all around these holes that are in the center. Section. And these holes that are in the center is where we will be planting our plants whenever the soil is ready. So before we plant our seeds, we prepare the soil and get the nutrients in there so the plants have everything that they require to thrive in an area where we don't water the plants. So this system here will be fully self-sustainable, and that's what the trenches are for, because whenever the rain comes down, then the water will build up in these trenches and it gives the plants a chance to thrive even whenever it may be a short temporary drought. These holes in the center section are where we will be planting. So whenever the plants require water, those roots will grow toward the trenches and pull that water in to keep the plants growing. So the way we prepare our soil with these holes is by putting broken down wood, such as this right here. And make sure to break it up fine. Rotting wood is beneficial for compost. The compost will break it down. It is slow releasing. So rotting or broken down branches like this, old branches, may like to wear a mask. Or just be careful and make sure you're not breathing in the crumbs. So break down these branches, get them in there. And we also put leaves. As can be seen in the wild, leaves are everywhere on the ground. So making our compost and preparing the soil, we also put the leaves in the hole. Get the leaves in there. And then on top of that, we cover it up with soil. And the soil will start to break down the leaves. And then we cover up that right there with we double it up with some leaves, some soil, and then on top of that, we put leaves, because we don't want this soil to dry out. Within a few months, the soil will be ready, because the microorganisms will compost that right there, and it will be a slow release nutrient for the plants. And also, whenever we cover up these holes with the soil, we do not want our compost to dry out. It has to be moist in order for the microorganisms to break things down efficiently. So we will cover these holes with the dirt, and then we put on top of that some leaves to retain moisture and prevent the soil from drying out, especially if there is brisky air around, because if there is brisky air, we protect our soil by covering it so it doesn't dry out. These holes are about 12 inches deep. And the trenches go all around the system right here. Everyone take care. Gratitud, Haweu.